Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So to do this, first let's open settings, then go to the system section, about phone, and here we can find all of this information. So in model, we go to status, IMEI information, and here we have our IMEI slot 1, IMEI slot 2, and we can find our the serial number here slightly down under IMEI information. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.